And no, this is not make with coconut milk. I know everything when you see we make it with coconut milk, but this is not with coconut milk.
Me no fi cook up, but me not fi depend on no one. No fi season up me meat with me thyme and scallion. With a little sweet pepper, couple slice of onion, and not touch a garlic. Chat up and a mention.
Right now we make a nice little potato salad. In the other video we make the rice and beans with the potato salad, and so one I make a video showing how to make the potato salad. So you don't know how they are full. I make a video showing how to make the potato salad, you know. So stay in tune to see how this potato salad make. This video is highly requested. And by highly requested, I mean one person requested, so I'm supposed to do it. And the filling, we're going to top. Okay, so what you're going to do now, you have some people, you could boil it first, you could boil the potato, then cut it up, or you could cut it up and then boil it. Either way. And the size, you could cut it any size you want. These are not doing small. When you're done, cut up everything. You don't know, you wash it. Wash the potato before you boil it. Now that go. Put a little water in there and wash off the potato, you know. So now we boil up the potato. And now we add a little bit of salt. Not too much, you know. Ano ko ba?
Di kagak lang siya, masih. Nanti mau kuah itu lagi dito. So what we're doing here now?
We're doing cutting up the egg then. I like my own thick, I don't know about one so.
How you put the yellow apart? You gonna use that?
Stir it and mix that up with the. I'll come after. Keep me into it and you see what I do with it. All the egg don't cut up now, so the egg them there. Now we can deal with the
Yellow.
this yellow part of the thing, so the yellow thing. The yellow thing. You got that name, but I don't know how we name. So we can deal with that. We need the hammer. So now we can mash up the yellow thing. And this we can mix up with the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Okay, so now we add some mayonnaise. I got it bought up already, so and then okay, we add a little bit of mustard, so when I add plenty, because after it didn't taste bitter. You don't want it to taste bitter. So we mix up everything now. So here we got the mayonnaise and we mustard. So mix up that. Some people do the mix everything one time in there. So do it any kind of way. We now got the mayonnaise and the mustard, so you know we add some milk. Okay, now that we have it mixed up, we can throw it in here. Here some. Yeah, so we got this sweet corn here.
You could put the sweet corn, mixed veggies or carrots just to decorate and give it a nicer taste. You know. Stir good.
Notice here, look, you see how this look thick? We're not stirring it to look like thick, so what you could do is add some more milk. A little more milk. There you go, loosen it up. And no, this is not make with coconut milk. I know everything when you see we make it with coconut milk, but this is not with coconut milk. No put coconut milk in.
And so I believe coconut milk go in it too. I was just going to ask you.
No put coconut milk.
Oh, okay.
I know everything when you see coconut milk. No, this is not coconut milk. See now we're looking more slack and more. Make it better now. Not how much, huh?
No. One friend of mine asked me once how you do it because he thought to throw the sugar and the chicken before frying the chicken. And it's not that way. Put the chicken, the sugar to brown. Then after the sugar begin to burn, then we add the chicken to it. So there we go. and leave that let it burn. Spot good on that now.
I'll pick the